Hey, Brother Galbraith. I'm sending you this video. I was up late last night working on trying to pull the data from Reuters over to my spreadsheet. I don't know if this is just an updated version in Excel versus the one you were working on, but let me just kind of show you what I was having issues with here. So when I go to pull data from the web, what's interesting is it won't allow me to pull the whole entire page of data. What it will only allow me to do is pull data from each individual chart that's listed on the page. So when I come here and enter the link for Google, it'll take a little bit to load. But it gave me quite a few issues, and I don't know if a lot of other students have been having the same issue I have, but I probably spent an hour last night trying to figure out what's going on. But once all the data pulls up, I'll kind of show you what's been going on. So it gives me a few different options here. I can have a table view, so I can look at each individual table that's on the chart on the page, or I can view the whole web page. It doesn't necessarily give me an option to select. The only thing I can do is I can scroll down and it will highlight these different documents here. And these different documents and tables will actually just pull up each of these individual tables here on the page. So as you can see here, I can look and select each of these. And then what I'll do is I hit the select. I'll pull all of these data tables here. And when you're doing this recording a macro, it makes the macro seem super long. It takes forever to load. So it'll come and it'll think here once it has all the information, which usually takes a little bit. It doesn't allow me to then dump all the data onto one page. I have to go in and manually select over here that these documents and data tables. The only way I've been able to figure it out is I hit load to after right-clicking on each table, and it kind of freaks out for a little bit because it's still retrieving the data down here. But then I'll have to hit load to select that I want the chart to go into this cell, and then it'll paste it in there. And I have to do that 13 times for each chart on the table. And then once I do have that, my macro is so huge and it has so many things that I have to debug that I'm not even sure what to do to fix it. So I'm pretty busy today, but I was just sending you this now so that I don't know if other students are going to come to you and have the same issue. But I would love to meet with you if I could. I figured it'd be easiest just to show you in a screenshot version versus trying to send this out in an email, so that if other students come to you in the meantime, probably you don't have to wait if you don't want to, but it was quite a lengthy process to have this data pulled over. And then once I did have it pulled over, the macro was so big that it was giving me a bunch of errors that I wasn't familiar enough with to fix. So hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of what my issues were, and let me know when a good time would be to meet that we can maybe go over this so that I can figure out how to get past this, because I'm stuck at this point for my presentation.